Here's something wild: the sun actually makes sound. But don't get too excited, we can't hear it. The sound waves are way too large for human ears to pick up. Scientists describe these as pressure waves, and they're measured in hundreds of miles. If we could hear it, the sun would be like a giant drum echoing through space. Luckily, space is a vacuum, so the sound doesn't reach us. Can you imagine Earth with a constant solar soundtrack? It'd be like living inside a music festival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.